What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from Wellstar Reviews and Healthy Wild Free. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the Organic Jaguar GHK-CU Regenerative Peptide Serum. Now, this is a copper-based serum, and I'm going to speak to this in a few different ways. And I have a very unique perspective on this and just skincare products in general, because I worked in the skin health space for about 3 years of my life. And so I understand that space well. And then I've also used other different peptides. I've used other topical peptides, and I've also injected peptides, taken peptide pills. So this is a peptide-based serum, so I can speak to that a little bit in its own unique way as well. So first things first, this is a, like I said, GHK-CU Copper Peptide Serum. They have this in injection form, so you can actually inject it into your body, and I've done this myself, and I saw that my skin looked far healthier and I looked younger during this time. So the GHK-CU Copper Peptide is effective at regenerating skin, collagen, these types of things. Now, when you take a look at this serum, I'll show you when I put this on my finger, you can see, where's the camera right there? You can see it's like a gel, right? It's literally clear, and it has this sort of like gel sort of feel to it. And when you put it on your skin, it feels like, I would say like aloe vera, like quite literally like aloe vera. So it has this sort of aloe vera, sort of gelatinous texture to it. And when it dries, it sort of has this tightening, toning, and firming effect. And I have noticed a really nice difference with this GHK-CU Copper Peptide Serum. I really like it. Now, to compare it to another peptide, for example, this is the OS01 from OneSkin. This is another popular peptide skincare company. This peptide is a bit different. It's like a cream, like a white cream. And what's interesting about this is when I put this on my skin, like I put this on my skin, it's kind of this white cream that slowly absorbs, and I'll leave it on overnight. And what I've noticed about the white skin is that this is really good for like pigmentation and things, but when it's around my eyes and it just on my skin in general, it feels like it dries my skin out more than it hydrates it. Now, with the Organic Jaguar Peptide Serum with copper, however, I feel like this holds the tightness of the skin together, and it helps to seal moisture in, and it actually hydrates the skin. So this, like I showed you, this sort of has this like glossy, gelatinous, aloe vera-like texture, whereas other peptides are more like creams that I've noticed tend to dry out my skin, whereas this tends to, it does, it hydrates my skin and moisturizes it and leaves it more smooth, tight, firm, and just looking more glossy, is the best way to describe it. So this product definitely works. I really like it a lot. And the other cool thing about this is it's 0.25% copper peptide, whereas most other copper peptides are about 0.1. So you're getting like literally double to 2.5 times the amount of copper peptide in this. So it's far more concentrated. Now, just for the record, I'm 37 years old, and this is how my face looks, this is how my skin looks using this copper peptide. So I really do like it. I think it's a fantastic product. And in comparison to something like OneSkin is good, but it's better for like pigmentation and spots and things, whereas this is just beneficial overall for the health of your skin and wrinkles and creating a youthful look. So they kind of have their own use, but I don't like the OneSkin and other peptide creams and serums that I've used are this sort of cream that feels like it's dehydrating and robbing my skin of hydration and moisture, whereas I feel like this gives it back, and it tightens, tones, and seals my skin. So I really like this from Organic Jaguar. This brand is really cool. I just discovered this brand recently. They also have like organic boxers. I'm gonna get some of those soon and review those here on the channel, and some other really interesting products. So I'll link this brand up below. I'll link up the OneSkin as well if you do have pigmentation. That did help me with that in one season of my life. When I first moved to Texas, I had some bad pigmentation, and this did help. So they're both nice, but if I had to choose, this is $75 and this is $100. And I have a link to this, it's like 10% off. So it's really like 60-something. So this is cheaper and just a more effective ongoing product, and better for use in the morning and nighttime, I've found. Whereas this is more of a nighttime thing. I wouldn't put this on my face in the morning. This can be used nighttime and morning. So I like the Organic Jaguar a lot. I'll put the discount link below. It's organicjaguar.com/healthywellfree, I believe, but I'll put the link right below in the comment section. If you want to get more healthy wellness reviews vetted by me, a health and wellness coach, visit healthywildfree.com/shop in the comment section right below this video. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.